Welcome, today I am with Viomi Smart Kettle and I will show you how you can connect this kettle with your smartphone. So at the first, you have to download Mi Home application. So let's open the Play Store. Of course you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Tap on the search pool and type Mi Home. We have to get this application. So when you download this app, you have to simply open. And right now you have to plug this stand to the electricity. So plug the cable. Next, put the cable on the stand. And then simply you will find out that it's turned on. We got the temperature of the water inside. So when this display is turned on, you have to simply tap on the plus in the right upper corner and click to add a device. Of course, you have to turn on the Bluetooth. Let me just take it close to the camera. Let me just catch focus right here. Okay, never mind. Just click here to turn on. And right now our smartphone is looking for devices around. But we can also select our device manually. So we have to just scroll down and you can just pick electric kettle. But you can also just wait until our phone finds this kettle automatically. And that's what I'm going to do in my case. So I'm just going to tap on the device, click agree. Right now we have to press the boil button for the 3 seconds to confirm pairing. So of course I'm going to show you. We have to keep our kettle on the stand. So click and hold for the 3 seconds. Okay, and right now we can release the button. We can turn off boil. So just press once. Right now it's finished. We can select the room. So I'm going to pick to the living room. Click next. Right here we can rename our kettle. I'm going to leave this name like that. Click next. Accept this stuff. And after a few seconds we will find the current temperature. Currently is rising, but we can also lower. Okay, let me just remove this kettle from the stand. And when you make it, the device will be disconnected. So to connect it back, you have to just put it on the stand. That's it basically. Right here in this place, let me just enter one more time. We can just automatically change the warm time and the water temperature by tapping right here. And the same you can make also with this temperature. When you tap on the custom, you can set the coffee, for example, and basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.